Stop wasting your hard-earned money on multiple subscriptions for AI tools you barely use. Now imagine this, you get GPT-5, Claude Sonnet 4, Gemini 2.0 Flash, DeepSeek, and other top LLM models right at your fingertips. Not only that, you can generate unlimited images with Flux, Recraft, Stable Diffusion, and other powerful models. You can also edit your images, remove backgrounds instantly, create professional-level videos, and yes, even make uncensored content with over 100 plus pre-built templates, all in one single platform. And here's the best part, it costs less than your morning coffee. For just 16 cents a day, you can replace every expensive subscription you've been paying for. Sounds impossible? Stick with me, because I'm about to show you exactly how this tool works, why you'll never need another AI tool again, and give you a full walkthrough of the platform. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it, save a tons of money, and still get access to all the best AI tools on the market, so make sure you pay very close attention, and without wasting any time, let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pro Secret. The tool we are using today is ChatArt AI, your ultimate all-in-one AI powerhouse. Whether you want to chat like you're talking to the smartest AI minds in the world, create stunning, high-quality images, produce professional videos, or even write full novels and stories, this platform has it all under one roof. No more switching between apps, paying for different tools, or struggling to learn multiple platforms. With ChatArt AI, you get everything you could ever need for content creation, productivity, and creativity, all in one place. The first thing you need to do is click the link in the description and sign up using your email. Once you log in, you land on this clean dashboard. As I mentioned earlier, you have access to multiple large language models, GPT-5, Claude Sonnet 4, DeepSeek R1 and Gemini 2.0, all inside one chat window. That means, instead of paying separately for each AI, you just type your question once and see how each model responds instantly. You can also generate images, create videos, and use writing tools from here, or simply select a category from this menu. So, let's ask a question to the LLM models. I select GPT-5 and enter a simple prompt. Give me 10 business ideas to make me rich by December 2025. As you can see, it gives us 10 ideas, and I can turn them into SEO articles, rewrite them, and use them for my blog posts. If the answer is not satisfying, we can change the models from here. So, I'm selecting Gemini 2.0 Pro, and it gives us similar ideas, but Gemini also provides video and website links, which is very useful. I also check Claude Sonnet 4, and I think Gemini and GPT-5 give me good and reasonable ideas. I recommend you try all the models and let me know which one you think is best in the comments. Now, let's generate images. You can generate images from here as well. Just click on Image Generation and it will open some templates. You can use them for reference or enter your own prompt. So, I select this image and the prompt is automatically pasted. Then, click Generate. As you can see, it's using Gemini 2.0 Pro for image generation, but you can change it from the model section. And here is the result. It perfectly gives us a similar image to the one I selected. No morphing, it's clean and perfect. All images look like the same character. If you are not satisfied with this, you can generate using text to image or image to image. Simply click Image from the menu, and here you will see all the image generation tools. You can create any type of image from your text or a reference image. You'll also find image processing tools and lots of other templates. So, simply click on Text to Image, and it will bring you here. It's a very easy and user-friendly interface. From here, you can select your image style and write your prompt in the prompt section. I'm writing my favorite, a beautiful woman looking at the camera. If you don't know what to enter, you can use these sample prompts. Then, select your image model. I'm selecting Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra. Next, choose the aspect ratio and select the quantity of images. I choose 2. Click Generate, and it will take around 10 to 20 seconds. And here is the result. Just look at this image. It looks absolutely stunning. Look at the hair, the eyes, and the details on her skin. It's truly impressive. Trust me, very few AI image generators can create images with this level of quality. From here, you can download the image, remove or change the background, and even enhance the image. So, let's check one more time. This time, I just extended the prompt and clicked Generate, and here is the result. It generated very clean and realistic images, and this is just an example. You can go crazy with this. I also checked another model using the same prompt, and to be honest, it's not bad. It actually looks like a real person. There are other image models as well, so I highly recommend you go and check them out. There is an image-to-image tool as well. Just upload your image, select the style, enter your prompt, and it will convert your image instantly. You can also add or remove the background. Simply upload your image, and the background will be removed instantly. You can use solid colors, choose from these preset backgrounds, or upload one from your device. You can even generate a completely new background. Just enter your prompt, and it will create a background so clean and natural that no one will be able to tell it's been changed. It fits perfectly. On top of that, you can enhance your images and convert low-quality pictures into high-quality ones in just one click. So now, the moment you've all been waiting for, let's generate videos. Simply click on Video from the menu, and it will bring you here. As you can see, ChatArt AI offers more than 100 video templates, including even uncensored styles. So, let's start with this one. You just need to upload your image and click Generate, and within 20 seconds, it will create the video. To be honest, these types of videos can easily go viral on any platform. Let's upload this image I just generated and see how ChatArt AI turns it into a masterpiece. Just imagine the views you could get on these videos. Now, let's try another one. This time, I select this twerk template, upload our image, and click Generate. And here is the result. See, it's a perfect and clean output. No one can even tell it's AI generated. Imagine creating your own AI influencer and using ChatArt AI video templates to make videos like these, then uploading them to social media or FanView. Think about how much money you could make. I also made some other videos, so watch them and take inspiration. See, it's amazing. Now, you don't need to buy multiple subscriptions. Everything you need is right here. There are also plenty of writing tools which can help you earn from different platforms. You get all social media writing tools in one place, helping you create scripts, titles, descriptions, and even giving you perfect SEO to rank your videos. And my personal favorite, you can generate novels. Just write your prompt, enable the romance interaction mode for uncensored novels, and click Generate. It will create a novel for you within a few seconds. You can make more chapters and sell them online. If you are serious about making money, the possibilities are endless. You are only limited by your imagination. As for pricing, it's very reasonable. Just 16 cents a day with the annual plan, or you can choose a lifetime plan for a one-time cost. So, if you are tired of juggling multiple AI subscriptions, make the smart move today. Click the link in the description, sign up, and use my exclusive coupon code PRO20 for 20% off your plan. Trust me, once you try ChatArt AI, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.